Hi everyone, today we're going to have a look at expressing things as percentages. In my opinion, this is probably one of the biggest areas that we can use numeracy across the curriculum. This is a question that often causes a bit of confusion with our young people. So Karen scores 15 out of 25, Fraser scores 7 out of 10, who performed better and why? People will automatically just assume that Karen did better because Karen scored more. But when we consider this as a percentage problem, something different appears from this. So for Karen scored 15 out of 25. I often tell people to consider that like a test mark, 15 out of 25. Fraser, I'll try and write that a bit neater, there we go. Fraser scored 7 out of 10 as a test mark. That would look like that. In a non-calculator situation, in a question such as this, to make things into percentage, the fraction must be out of 100. So we need to make these both out of 100, and luckily this example has catered for that quite nicely. So to get from 25 to 100, we've multiplied by 4. So we need to multiply this by 4. So we find that that is 60. To get from 10 to 100, we've multiplied by 10. So we need to do 7 times 10, which is 70. Okay, so we can say that Fraser performed better since 70% is more than 60%. Okay, so having this percentage when we're having this comparison when we're looking at percentages is much more helpful when we're looking to compare things. Okay, here's an example of where we could maybe increase the use of expressing percentages across the curriculum. And a lot of subjects will have lots of nice bar graphs and information displayed visually. But a question that could easily come in is just say, what percentage of the nicest fruit voted for was banana? Okay, so see if we wanted to consider this, we would need to take a note of what banana was. So banana was 10 out of, and we need to consider what is the total altogether. So we've got 35 and 30, which is 65. 10 is 75. That's 100. 140. 145 altogether. So that's bananas. The people that like bananas were 10 out of 145. If this were to appear in a calculator situation, we could just simply then do 10 divided by 145, and we could multiply that by 100. When we work through that, 10 divided by 145 times by 100, that comes to be 6.9%. So 6.9% of people who voted in the survey said that banana was their favourite. Okay, this could be used in a lot of situations. People kind of struggle with this a little bit. So the more they do it across the curriculum, the quicker they'll be able to do it in an exam situation as they go up into the senior phase.